Hi, it's Bruce from NUVO here, and today I'd like to introduce you to the NUVO DooD. The DooD is similar to a recorder in many ways, the one big difference being that it uses a single reed mouthpiece. Now this is great because it actually trains young students the correct embouchure or mouth shape that they will need to then progress on to the clarinet, the J sax, or even a full-size clarinet or saxophone. The fingering on the DooD is very similar to a recorder, the one big difference being that we have these silicone key covers. This actually makes it easier for young students to cover over the holes and get the notes correctly. The range of the DooD is just over 1 octave, so that means there's a huge repertoire of tunes that it can play. Most things that you can play on the recorder, you can actually play on the DooD. The DooD comes supplied with 2 synthetic reeds. We recommend starting with the reed numbered 1, as this is the softest reed and easier to blow. And as students progress, they can try the 1.5 reed. That offers a little more resistance. Like all NUVO instruments, the DooD is completely waterproof, so it's very easy to care for. You can simply wash it with warm soapy water. Okay, so first off, let's talk about creating a sound on the DooD. What we need to do is make the reed on the mouthpiece vibrate freely. So we're going to start by putting our top teeth onto the beak of the mouthpiece about 1 centimetre in from the end. We're then going to roll our bottom lip just slightly over our bottom teeth and bring the corners of our mouth in tight against the side of the mouthpiece, like this. Then we're going to take a breath and we're going to focus that air down the mouthpiece to make the reed vibrate and create the sound. You might find you can't get a sound the first time you try. There could be a number of reasons for that. It might be that you've not got quite enough of the mouthpiece in your mouth, so no air can go down the instrument. If that is the case, just try sliding the mouthpiece into your mouth a little bit further and trying again. Or you might find that you get a very loud, uncontrolled sound. That could mean that you've got too much mouthpiece in your mouth. So just try to slide the mouthpiece out a little bit and have another go. Just experiment until you find the right position that works for you. To hold the DooD correctly, we need to place our right thumb under the thumb hook on the back. This is adjustable, so you can find the right position that works for you. Our left thumb is going to be covering over the hole in the back of the DooD here. And then we're going to take our first finger and press down on the first silicone key here on the top. This is actually the note B, and it should sound like this. To play the note A, we keep the B key in position and then we simply press down the next silicone key there. And to play the G, we leave the B and the A where they are and press down the third key. So there we have it, B, A and G on the DooD.